At your command.
The XL12, as small as it is,
Puts big soft power in the palm of your hand.
This is a video on all my Homelite saws. All of these run, no problems, all of them cut good. Start with this C91. It's I don't know, mid to late 60s saw. It runs real nice. And here's these aren't really in order. Here I believe it's 1976 Homelite, 1975-76 Super XL. It's belonged to my father's next door neighbor when he was a kid, so it's nice to have this one. Here's a Super XL, 1974. Good running saw. There's an XL76, I'm not sure, no, I want to say it's an 81 or an 82. 82 XL76. Nice old saw. Here's a 1969 XL101. Runs good. Here's a Homelite 150, 1976. 150. There's the XL Automatic, 1965. Runs real nice. Not a problem. I'm not going to start any of up in this video. Just kind of showing y'all. Here's a 1968-69 Super XL. Got this off from Dean Small Engines. Go check him out. Here's my great uncle Super XL. It runs real nice. This runs real nice. Right there's Buddy Chase's vintage chainsaws, something like that. And it runs real nice. I got that from him. Did a little bit of work to it. There's another one of Dean's saws, a Super XL, 1980. Not really sure. 1980s. It doesn't have a tag. That's in late 80s, early 90s on that one. This is 68, 80, somewhere around 85. I'm missing a sticker. Here's a XL12, 1981 model. Yep, 81. There's 1987 Super 2. 1968, 69 Super XL. Repainted the starter. Had a red one on there. That's what paint I had laying around. There's a Super XL, this is the early 70s one, 71, 72. 70, something like that. There's a 1969 EZ. That's the XL12 I built from parts. Really doesn't have a year. It's made out of a bunch of different ones. Here's a 1980 Super EZ. There's a, I don't know if I can mention that one. That's a 69 EZ. Super easy. There's a 1972, 71 Super XL. Here's a 1987 Super XL. 1997 Old Blue. I want to say that's an 84 Super XL. Here's a very clean 66 XL12. Very nice shape. Here's another nice shape. It's just dirty. Super XL 1971. There's 1971 150. 1967 68 XL12. Here's a, not sure in the year on that one, missing the tag. That's in the mid 80s. There's a 1981 Super 2. That would be a 1980 190. Quite rare. You don't see a lot of them. Power Shark. 1995 Old Blue. Big red. Big red. I don't know why I said Old Blue. No, that's a big red right there. There's a Super 2 19 G. I'm not sure about the G. 1984, 3, mid 80s. For sure. Yeah. Not sure about the G. You have to go look at that. And right there was a 79 150 Zip. 1959 Zip, and a 1954 Model 17. All these saws run. All of them run real nice. Bubba Sawyer, YouTube, he got a bunch of these saws. There's a bunch of XL series, and you got a Zip, and got Spark. Maybe I'll figure it out. Alright, go check out all the people I mentioned in this video. And thanks for watching. And comment if you have any questions on any of these, or want to see any videos of these running in operation. Just let me know. Thanks for watching. I want to look at my paper, and this is an 85 Super 2.